Hello, my friends. In this detailed and comprehensive lesson, we will thoroughly learn and effectively get to know the correct and most effective way to meticulously add a detailed and engaging description to your professional YouTube channel, ensuring it accurately reflects your content and attracts your target audience. So, before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe button, following, liking, and sharing this video with your friends and family. So, after opening the YouTube app, as usual, you go directly to this place and click on it. And then you will simply click on your specific channel name from this particular location. After that, you will then proceed to click on this small pencil icon, which is also located right here. Next, you should then navigate to this important option that is clearly labeled Description and subsequently click on its corresponding pencil icon. So in this section, you add a description to your channel. And finally, you will then click on the Save button from here. And you can then proceed to edit your description once again if you so desire. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. The comprehensive playlist contains some incredibly helpful and highly informative YouTube tutorials, where you'll undoubtedly find many important practical and beneficial guides that you'll truly like and certainly benefit from in your learning journey. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.